Brushing off your lint trap does not mean that you have a clean dryer vent. The vent cleaning service in your local area of Albuquerque will take care of this risk of fire from your home. These pros know the steps that are required to give you a clean dryer vent, so that you can stop worrying about it. The fact that you have a clean dryer vent gives you the assurance that you will not have to deal with a dryer vent fire. Your local chimney company Albuquerque is prepared to take care of the chimney maintenance you need in order to protect your family from the damages and costs of a chimney fire. Cleaning your chimney is a job for the expert chimney company in Albuquerque. You will find it well worth the money and the time to have the best chimney sweep Albuquerque come to your home and perform chimney maintenance today. There is no shortcut when you need a good air duct cleaner. You should not allow the stale air to circulate throughout your household. This leaves you with the assurance that the Albuquerque duct cleaning service you hired to clean your home has absolutely cleaned out every bit of your duct work, resulting in your healthier home available for your relaxation. Take just a moment now to place a call to your Albuquerque contractor today. Call now. 505-842-5131. Visit our website www.dryerventcleaningalbuquerque.com.